Profit isn't complicated. Your system is. Most business owners think they need more to grow, more leads, more staff, more clients, more hustle. What they really need is less chaos and more clarity. Here's what I see as the problem working with companies over the past 25 years, helping them put their systems and processes in place. I've seen $1 million businesses with zero profit because their systems leak. Leads come in, but they don't convert. Cleaners or clients show up late, payroll eats at the margin, and owners are exhausted, and no one knows why because nothing's being tracked. Here's the solution. You don't fix profitability with effort. You fix it with a system that quotes for profit, follows up automatically, tracks your labor versus your revenue, shows where the waste is hiding. That's the power of building like Ford. Every bolt, every action, every dollar has a place. It has a home, and it wants to stay in that place. You don't need more effort. You need the right system. Book a call with me, and let's make your business profitable by design.